Are you tired of getting issues while printing Excel spreadsheet? If so, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can change the print settings to get the clean and presentable prints every time. To print, either you can do Ctrl plus P or you can go to the File menu and select the print option from there. When you are inside the print option, on the right hand side, you'll see the preview and the changes you make on the print settings will appear on this preview. You can select the printer from this option here. From this setting, you can select print active sheets to print the single sheet and print entire workbook to print all sheets that is in the Excel file. Now, let's say you just want to print certain rows or columns. Then you can select the print selection option and select the area you want to print. So now if you go to the print preview, you can see that only selected area is shown. You can see that two of the columns are not showing up. We can fix that later in this video. From this option, you can choose if you want to print from page 1 to 2 or 1 to 10 or single page. So moving on to the next setting, which is collated. This means printing the pages in a specific order. It definitely saves time while sorting and rearranging later when they are printed out. Another one is page orientation. You can either choose portrait or landscape from this option. This is where you can change the page size from, and also there is another option for changing the page margin. Page setup. This is the most important step. Right now you can see it is set up as no scaling and that the last two columns are not showing up. Let's change the setting to fit all columns on one page. See, now the columns are back. You can play with these settings and choose what works best for you. Okay, now moving on to the last item for this video. Let's go to the home page. I'm going to show how we can adjust the page break. First, go to View tab, click on the page break preview. Here you can see everything is inside the page 1. So let's say I want these items to be printed on two pages. Say I want to keep up to 8 number in page 1 and other things on page 2. To do so, I'll drag this bold blue line stopping at 8. Now go to the page layout tab and then insert page break. You can now drag the blue bold line so that page 2 appears. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.